What's up, guys? Welcome. Check if that's basically it's real quick, real easy. Last thing we're going to do for this graphics surface class, I know I told you guys we were done with that, but since I'm going to release this app on the market for you guys to download, some of you guys might already have downloaded it if you are living in the future, because then it would already be on the marketplace, and you know this that we'll download our app from the marketplace. So how we can kind of utilize our thread and make it use less processing speed, so slower devices can run at kind of the same rate as higher devices. We want to set up kind of a frames per second atmosphere when we work with animation or game development, because as of now, within turn true here, it's just cycling through and updating, like sweating, and we're like, hey man, you want some water? He's like, no, I gotta do this, man, get out of my way. And using all the processing speed it can, we kind of want to be like, hey man, just sleep for a little bit. Yeah, you're like, sleep, we already know how to do that. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty simple concept, but when working with game development, it comes in very beneficial to have a set frame rate that you work with. And kind of the concept, or kind of how to create a frame rate, is just doing some simple calculation. We want to achieve, so 60, and that equal 16.66666666667 frames, or I mean that's the sleep time that we want to have. But we're going to be even more generous and just say sleep, or thread dot sleep, and then we're going to say like 50 instead of 16 or 16 or 17, something like that. So this will give us a frame rate of 20 frames per second. And that's going to allow, again, our application just to sleep every once in a while, not use all the processing speed that it needs, and it's not really going to affect, the way our application runs. For the most part, it's just going to save some of that processing speed. I know this tutorial is pretty much pointless, but the frames per second is an important concept for you game developers that you want to consider in the future. But as you can I don't know. This tutorial is just pathetic. I'm sorry, guys, but again, frames per second is an important concept. I'm just gonna leave it with that because I need to go to bed, and we're gonna get into an awesome topic in the next tutorial. So awesome, in fact, I don't even know what it's gonna be about yet. So look forward to seeing you guys then, and have a good one. Peace.